Breaking news this morning. Steve Kompela has left Mamelodi Sundowns with immediate effect. This is after Swallows FC released a media statement confirming Mr. Steve Kompela as their newly appointed head coach. Coach Steve Kompela takes the reins at Swallows FC. Swallows FC is thrilled to announce the appointment of Steve Kompela as the head coach of Swallows FC. He will be assisted by Musa Nyatama together with Diteko Modoto. We want to take Swallows FC to the next level, and we are very excited to have attracted the services of Coach Kompela. We appreciate the professional manner in which Mamelodi Sundowns FC managed these negotiations. Coach Musa Nyatama remains a special pillar of our team, and his willingness to learn and work closer with an experienced coach like Steve Kompela is highly appreciated. The two coaches met last night to celebrate Coach Kompela's birthday, and they were both excited to work together to take Swallows FC to higher levels. The coach will be formally introduced to Swallows FC family on Tuesday, the 4th of July 2023. Let the beautiful birds fly high. Don't follow me, follow the birds. This was a statement issued by David Mokhashua, chairperson of Swallows FC. For more news later, this is Bantu Football.